Alrighty, what's up you guys? Hope you are having a fantastic day. The other day I decided it was going to be a good idea to buy a second camera for this channel, and I wanted it to be like a multi-use camera. I wanted to be able to use it like for filming my phone, for doing vlogs, because I'd like to do more of those in the future. I guess I'd like to do some of those in the future. I haven't done any of them yet, but I will be doing them. And I'd like to just have a so I can have multiple, just like a multi-use camera. I can use like action shots and just things like that in general. Alright, anyway, today's video is just going to be all about unboxing the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and we're going to do some initial thoughts. My initial thoughts of this. I've never had a GoPro before, so we're going to see how this goes, but if you guys stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to be telling you how you can get $60 off a brand new GoPro Hero 7. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Alrighty, here is the GoPro Hero 7 that I bought, and we're going to see how to unbox this thing. I don't actually know how to unbox it, but before we do that, let me just go over some of the features that they have on the box. This camera can shoot 4K 60 frames per second, has 33 feet of water resistance, it has a microphone, you can like talk to it and tell it to record. It has 8x slow-mo. The screen is a touchscreen, has GPS, and can shoot in HDR. And some of the most notable features about this particular GoPro: it has hyper smooth, which I'll get into talking about what that is later. And it has live streaming, which I hope to do in the future on this channel. So if you guys would actually like to see that, comment down in the comments what you guys would like to talk about. Alright, so let's unbox this thing. I'm pretty sure you just have to pull off this bottom part here. Oops. Oh, look at that. It has a tab. I didn't even realize that. Wha-bam. This is fancy. Alrighty. Open it up. I'm guessing you just pull this part out. Ooh. Ah, alright. Then this is a box with things in it, probably. Alright, this camera looks really cool. It's like a perfect size. Opening it up, inside we have this thingy. Whatever this thing is. Oh, these are instructions. Those are good to know. It's how to charge it, how to mount it on a bike helmet, and how to take it out of the case it comes in. Open, it also talks about getting the app and adding the battery in there. Alrighty. GoPro is nice, and they sent us stickers. GoPro stickers. I'll have to put those on like my phone or something. That'd be really cool. Alright, there's the packet of instructions that is in 4,000 different languages and no one ever reads. Alrighty. Up next, we have the battery. The GoPro battery right here. GoPro battery. I've heard that these are pretty good, but I've also heard that it's probably a good idea to buy some more batteries. So I might end up doing that in the future, but I need to play around with it first to see if that's actually worth it for me. Ooh, it's a sticky mount. That's cool. I could stick it to things. Alright. We have our charger, and it charges with USB-C. Oh yes, I love it, USB-C. Alright, that's all that's in the box. Let's get this camera off of here though.
Let's see here. How do you do this? I'm struggling. Still can't figure this out. Let's look at the instructions actually. I'm so stupid, probably. Most likely. And it wasn't there. Where was that paper that had the instructions? So I had to get the thing out of it. Ah, there it is. Let's see here. Push this in. And pull it out. Why am I struggling so hard? You did this hard, right?
Ah. Got it. Finally got it. There we go. Alrighty. Now we got it off. Here's the camera. This screen, I think you can do timed pictures, so that's going to be pretty nice for that. We got the GoPro logo right here. We got the little case around it, and then we got the mounting thing with the GoPro mount. So you could like mount it with this sticky thing here. Alright, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's take off this screen here. Ooh. Actually, we have to take off the case first. And to do that, we have to read our handy dandy instructions. Alrighty, we're gonna put those over there. Handy dandy instructions. They say, push down on this. We'll bring this over. Aha. I think you go like this. There we go. It's kind of tight there. Then we can pull, looks like we can pull, ooh, like that. We can pull this off here. And then the camera looks like it's just, we can push it out here. Ah, there we go. There's the little case, and we can take your GoPro out of there. Alrighty. And we should take off this little screen thing here. Ah, there we go. Stick your fingernail under there, and it pulls out quite nicely. Alrighty, now we have our GoPro. We should put the battery in. So we're going to go like that. And it says to put the battery in as such. Like that. And close it. Alright, and I don't have an SD card yet, but I will be getting one very soon. So let's see if this will power on. Ooh, there we go. Oh, look at that. That's actually quite cool. Ooh, it has the GoPro thing on it. You guys can't see it, but it actually has the thing in the back. Oh, alright, let's set this up. This is what's important. Alright, here we go. I'm going to select English because that's the language I speak. Alright, legal stuff. By using this GoPro, I agree to the terms of use available at gopro.com/legal. They don't even give it to you. Alright, I agree. Captures the location where your videos and photos are taken. I definitely want that. That sounds really cool. Alright, now I have to install the app. Now I have a problem because I'm filming this video on my phone. Let's see here. I'll be right back. I'm going to go grab my iPad so I can film it with my iPad, and then I'll be back and set this up with my phone. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1. Alright, what's up you guys? I'm back, and now I'm filming on my iPad, so we have a little bit different angle, and the quality is probably not going to be as good, but you guys get the point, and that is it. Alrighty, we have the GoPro here, and it tells us to install the GoPro app, so I'm going to go to the App Store here, and I'm going to look up GoPro in the search. GoPro. Alright, it's the first app here. We're just going to download it. Alrighty, it's done downloading. Alright, now we have the app done downloading. We're going to go into the app and I'm going to open it up. And leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. Oh, look at that. We found your device. We found your GoPro. There it is. Alright, we're going to connect the camera like this. Connecting. Bluetooth pairing request. We're going to pair. Oh, look at that, it's making noise. Meanwhile, on the GoPro, it has a new screen here. I'll look at that in a second. Alright, it's connected. I'm going to save this to, say, Braden's Hero 7 Black. Alrighty. We almost got a name for this little buddy. Oh, it has a camera update available. Alright, so while that loads, we are going to look at the camera itself. Alright. Tap the buttons on the screen to get to know the camera. And I'm at 1%. So I should probably plug this in. But we're going to look at this real quick. These are the capture settings. You can tap to adjust video and photo settings. Alright, so we can have wide angle and linear angle. You have low light on. And you can switch that to auto. You have the frames per second and your aspect ratio. I'll keep it at 16:9. And we can film in 4K, 2.7K, 1080, and 720. Alrighty. We have it here. We can have it raw footage, and we can have Pro Tune on, which will make it use GoPro's AI to figure out the best way to make it look the best based on its AI. Alright. We have ISO stuff, we have sharpness, we have color, which is the GoPro color, or we can have it flat, and we can have PT settings. Alright, so these are the settings here. You can tab below to change modes. Alrighty, and there's touch zoom. Ooh, alright, that's kind of cool. We can zoom in. We can zoom into our GoPro box here and zoom out. Alrighty. And I have no SD card, so I cannot film anything. This is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. And these are my first impressions. I think this is actually quite cool. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Has this little wrench thing here. Has the GoPro logo. This camera actually feels very nice. It feels very solid. Like there's enough weight to hold on to it, and you feel pretty confident. If I was like holding on to this and like vlogging or doing something like that. It's telling me the battery's low probably. Oh, there it goes. This camera also lets you film in vertical mode, which is really cool. I think that like I could do some Instagram stories with that. If you guys would like to see those, you can follow me over at it's BDre on Instagram. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, you can follow me at it's BDre1. Alrighty, here's this. There's microphones on both sides here, right here, and right here. This is the power button. We have our obvious recording button here, our red circle. And because our camera is very low on battery, that's going to be it for that. And I'll update my camera, and I'm hoping to have some new videos out really soon with this camera, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching to the end of this video. If you liked the video, I would absolutely love it if you guys would like and subscribe to my channel. This was the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and I told you guys in the very beginning that I was going to tell you how you can get the GoPro Hero 7 Black, just like I did, for $60 cheaper. The way to do this is, there is an eBay seller who is selling the GoPro for like $339, and GoPro is selling this camera for $399, and I'll link to that seller down below. But that's been BDre on this tech review, tech unboxing of the GoPro Hero 7, and I'll see you guys in the next one.